Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about multiplying two binomials. Okay? Multiply two binomials. Binomial, the name itself has. It has two terms, so it is called binomial. Okay? First example, x plus 2 into x plus 3. How we'll multiply? We can do foiling method and we can also do the table method. I will explain you the table method. So I have observed that the kids will not do any mistakes using the table method. Okay. X plus 2. X plus 2 has two terms, x and plus 2. Okay. X and plus 3. Now we'll multiply the individual boxes. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. Now the last box is related with 2 and 3. We are multiplying 2 times 3 is 6. Now just we have to add all the boxes. X square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Then we have to add the like terms. What are the like terms? If they have the same degree, we can add them. Here 3x and 2x has the degree 1. So we have to add those two terms. Okay. So x square plus 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6. That's it. Okay. Now let's do the second example. A minus 1 into 4a plus 2. Okay. A minus 1 into 4a plus 2. A minus 1, because it has two terms, we are making into two boxes. 4a and plus 2, right? A times 4a is 4. A times a is a square. A times 2 equal to 2a. Negative 1 times 4a is negative 4a. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Four a square plus 2a minus 4a minus 2. 2a minus 4a is minus 2a. Minus 2. Okay. 2a minus 4a is minus 2a. You are combining the like terms. Okay. Now coming to the third example. 2c minus 1, 2c plus 3. 2c minus 1 and 2c plus 3. 2c times 2c is 2 times 2 is 4. C times 2 is c square. 2c times 3 is 6c. Negative 1 times 2c is minus 2c. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Now 4c square, 6c minus 2c minus 3. We are combining the like terms. So 6c minus 2c is 4c and then minus 3. Okay. Here we have three terms. So it is also called it as a trinomial. And the degree is 3. So the degree is 2 here, which is quadratic. And the leading coefficient is 4. Constant is minus 3. If you have a doubt, you can watch my previous videos. Okay. The fourth example, 4j plus 2 into 2j minus 3. Which is 4j plus 2 and 2j minus 3, right? 4j times 2j is 4 times 2 is 8 and j times j is j square times minus 3. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12 and j 4j. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 minus 8j square minus 12j plus 4j minus 6. Now we are combining the like terms. Here we have two like terms with the degree 1. Minus 8j square minus 12j plus 4j is minus 8j minus 6. Okay. The last example. Three p minus 4 and 3p plus 4. 3p times 3p is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. P times p is p square. 3 times 4 is 12p. 3 times 3 times negative 4 is negative 12p. Negative 16. Negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16. 9p square. 12p minus 12p minus 16. Here we have two like terms, 12p minus 12p, which is 0. They both will get cancelled. 9p square minus 16. I hope I gave you a clear idea about multiplying binomials. Okay, thank you so much for watching.